Alrighty, here I received a package from Zelos. It came from all the way from Singapore. Looks to be mostly intact. Small scratch there, but it doesn't matter. This is gonna be the new skeleton watch, Avant A-4, and neatly packed. Let's see what is inside. Okay. Probably you have to push it out. Okay. Yep. We'll go. Okay, it's a wooden box. Carefully now. This is, by the way, my first unboxing video. Should be coming. Tightly packed. Slowly but surely it will come out from there. There should be some sort of technique, probably, how to do this the right way. Okay, Zelos logo here, coming bit by bit, very tightly packed. Now soon I can get to change my Casio for something more interesting. Very neat package, classic wood. Let's see what is inside. Alrighty. I must say I'm pretty excited about this. I actually bought this for myself for 40 years old birthday present. This feels very nice. Okay. Here we have, this is pretty neat. So we have serial number. I was the number 4. 40 years old, present number 4. Not bad, not bad. I didn't know that. Okay, what else we have here? There's gonna be 2 straps. So this is the brown one. And there's a quick release here. You can change them easily. And the actual watch. Tightly packed as well. Ooh, it's nice. And this will be with the alligator print. Okay. Here it is. Looks really nice. So this is the bronze case. It will have the patina here. And you can nicely see the Swiss automatic mechanism there. So let's try it on. Nice size, not too big, pretty classy. I love it.